Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And to all our returning viewers, thank you for your continued support. Your likes, comments, and shares keep this channel going. The topic of today will focus on the journey of His Excellency President Paul Kagame to the West countries, precisely in Senegal and Guinea. Let's dive into it. First of all, in a historic meeting that heralds a new era of diplomatic relations, His Excellency President Paul Kagame of Rwanda made his first official contact with President Bassirou Diomaye Faye of Senegal. The occasion was marked by a grand welcome at the Falcon Cut, where President Kagame was greeted with warmth and honor, signaling the beginning of what promises to be a significant diplomatic exchange between the two nations. President Kagame's visit to Dakar. The strategic move to strengthen ties between Rwanda and Senegal. While the primary purpose of his trip was to attend the final match of the Africa League basketball tournament at the Dakar Arena, the visit carried profound diplomatic implications, emphasizing the bonds of fraternal friendship between the two nations. The diplomatic aspect of President Kagame's visit was evident from the moment he stepped foot on Senegalese soil. The presidential pavilion of the Leopold Senior Military Airport served as the venue for the initial exchange between the two leaders, setting the stage for discussions on bilateral cooperation, regional stability, and economic partnership. The meeting between Presidents Kagame marked a significant milestone in the diplomatic relations between Rwanda and Senegal, with both leaders expressing their commitment to deepening mutual understanding and collaboration across various sectors. Following their initial meeting, President Kagame engaged in a candid interview session, providing insight into their respective visions for the future and their strategies for enhancing bilateral ties. This first interview served as a precursor to a second meeting scheduled for Sunday at the Palais de la République. Both leaders will delve deeper into areas of mutual interest and concern. The Africa League basketball final served as a backdrop for the burgeoning diplomatic relationship between Rwanda and Senegal. As President Kagame and MIF watched the game together at the Dakar Arena, they witnessed not only the thrilling display of athletic prowess but also the spirit of camaraderie and cooperation that defines the relationship between their two nations. Beyond the basketball court, President Kagame's visit to Dakar holds broader significance for the region. It underscores Rwanda's commitment to strengthening ties with its African neighbors and its willingness to engage in dialogue and collaboration to address common challenges and pursue shared goals. As President Kagame's visit draws to a close, the stage is set for a new chapter in the diplomatic relations between Rwanda and Senegal. The bonds of fraternal friendship forged during this historic encounter are poised to drive cooperation and mutual prosperity for years to come, marking a significant step forward in Africa's journey towards unity and solidarity. If you're passionate about understanding the political landscape of Africa and its global impact, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on our latest uploads. Your support drives us to continue exploring the complexities of governance, diplomacy, and social change across the continent. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next video for his journey to Guinea.